While you're still thinking about AI, Canva became AI integrated and made almost $3 billion in annual revenue. It wasn't some fluffy experiment or gimmick feature. They turned AI into the core engine of their product, which helped them hook millions of users, reinvent the design process, grow their revenue. Canva didn't treat AI like a buzzword. They made it a business strategy. While competitors hesitated, Canva captured the moment. Here's why integrating AI in your software or app isn't optional anymore. The most important reason is your competitors are using AI to outpace you. Also, other reasons are like enhanced user experience. AI enables personalization, smart recommendations, and intuitive interfaces that keep users engaged. For example, Amazon uses AI to recommend products based on browsing and purchase history, creating a tailored shopping experience. Improved efficiency, automate repetitive tasks like data entry, support, and reporting to save time and reduce human error. For example, Slack uses AI bots to automate meeting scheduling and generate conversation summaries, boosting team productivity. Smarter decision-making, AI-driven analytics help businesses uncover trends, predict behavior, and make data-backed decisions. For example, Netflix uses AI to analyze viewing habits and determine which content to produce or promote. Cost reduction. Streamlining operations with AI reduces overheads and optimizes resource utilization. For example, Zendesk integrates AI chatbots to handle common customer queries, reducing the need for large support teams. Competitive edge. Early AI adoption signals innovation, helping businesses stand out and adapt faster to market changes. For example, Starbucks uses AI, Deep Brew, in its app to personalize offers and suggest orders, increasing customer loyalty and revenue. What is AI-assisted software development? AI-assisted software development is the strategic use of AI throughout the entire software development process to build better software faster. Read more about it in the blog, link in caption. What happens if you wait or don't integrate AI into your software or app? You lose customers to smarter competitors. While you're still planning, your competitors are using AI to personalize experiences, predict needs, and lock in your customers. You bleed time and money. Manual processes eat up hours and increase errors. Every month without AI is a month of wasted resources and lost efficiency. You miss out on real-time insights. AI reveals what your users want now. Waiting means you're always reacting instead of leading. You risk becoming irrelevant. Industries are evolving fast. Apps that don't adapt feel outdated. Users expect smart, fast, and personalized, or they uninstall. Your first mover advantage disappears. Early adopters are already building AI moats. The longer you delay, the harder and more expensive it gets to catch up. So now don't wait. Lead the AI revolution. AI isn't a nice-to-have anymore. It's the difference between apps that thrive and apps that fade out. Your competitors aren't waiting. Your users aren't waiting. So why should you? At Excellent Webworld, we don't just integrate AI, we make it work for your business goals. From personalization to automation, we'll upgrade your app to deliver real results, fast. Ready to future-proof your app? Get in touch with Excellent Webworld today.